Hello, BabyCro! Today we will consider all the features of Recaro Citylife 2-in-1 stroller. The main peculiarity of the model is its universality. It is optimal for a family adherent to active way of life. A unique chassis contributed to its universality. The stroller can be used with an infant carrier or even child car seat. Thus, the stroller can be transformed into mobile and compact options. It is a 0+ product and can be used for children from 6 months of age and weight up to 17.5 kilograms. Specifications of Recaro Citylife 2-in-1. It is a comfortable stroller for children from 6 months of age and weight up to 17.5 kilograms. It makes it a 0+ product. Both the stroller and the infant carrier on the chassis can be folded with one move. Before folding the stroller, fold the hood. Then move the clip on the handle and push the button under the handle. Then push the construction down until full folding. You can use bumper for easier operation. It is automatically fixed. When folded, the stroller is super compact. It can be put wherever you want or carried in the car trunk or even on the back seat. To unfold it, loosen the clip on the side and raise the handle to the distinctive sound to unfold it accordingly. 5-point harness ensures absolute safety and comfort for your child. To unbelt, push the button in the center. Harness height can also be adjusted. Move special clips on the harness and choose the length relative to the child's height. There are soft harness pads protecting the child's neck and shoulders from rubbing. Yet there is no pad for the crotch strap. A soft mattress will keep your child comfortable during the ride. There is a small headrest. The bumper is not an obstacle for putting a child in or taking the child out, as it can be put aside using a special button on the side. It can also be entirely removed. A cover made from material pleasant to touch can easily be removed, since it is on zipper. The footrest is comfortable and rather large. It can be adjusted. Push the buttons on the sides of the footrest and choose the desired position. The bottom of the footrest is rubber coated. It can be easily cleaned, unlike fabric. The wheels are not inflatable. The rear wheels are larger and front ones are swivel, contributing to maneuvering capacity of the stroller. They can be locked. Rotate them to the back, pull a clip above the wheel up for a locked position. To unlock, pull the clip down. If needed, the wheels can be easily removed. Push the button above the wheel and lift it. Rear wheels can be locked by a brake. To do this, push the pedal down. Raise the pedal to unlock. It is very comfortable as the shoes are not damaged by pushing the pedal. Spacious basket can accommodate large items. Backrest is adjustable. In order to do this, lower a clamp with harness at the back by pushing a button in the center of the harness. The backrest can be unfolded almost horizontally for the child to sleep. To put it up, tighten the clamp with harness. The hood can be adjusted with one hand. It is large and has additional sun canopy protection. The latter can be removed if necessary. On the back of the hood, there is a window. Simply open the cover to see through it. It allows the parent to watch the child any moment. In addition, the infant carrier has an ergonomic handle, allowing carrying it effortlessly with the child inside. Its height is adjustable with buttons on both sides. A cup holder can be mounted on the handle so that a parent can enjoy fresh coffee in the morning. The jogging block can be removed, but it is not reversed. It takes some effort to dismantle it. First, you have to remove all fabric and hood. Then attach special adapters to turn the stroller into a mobile version with the infant carrier or car seat. You will appreciate this feature during trips or walks. The supply includes a rain cover and a cup holder. The stroller weight is 10.2 kilograms. Recaro Citylife 2-in-1 model is another decent product featuring all the necessary appliances for trips and walks. Universal chassis allows installing it both as a car seat and as an infant carrier. Hopefully this review was helpful to you. Stay with us and subscribe to our channel.